Welcome to IELTS speaking test number 8. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is, talk about a time when you helped someone. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. Who was he? How did you know him? How did you help? Talk about a time when you helped someone. Well, it is a moral value to help someone in any difficult situation. And here I would like to talk about a time when I helped an unknown person. I describe it briefly. About a couple of weeks ago, I was going to college. Actually, my college is located at some distance from my hometown. I go there via bus. Once a day, I took a bus at about 9:30 a.m. to reach my destination. On this bus, I sit down on a seat and felt relaxed. But suddenly, I felt something in my feet. I thought it is a paper or a small notebook of someone other. But when I stooped down to take it, I saw that it was a passport. I checked it and asked about it to all the people who were available on that bus. But everyone said no to this passport. That passport was of someone other. I read the address on it, and that address was of a village named Ahmedabad, which is nearby my hometown. I took it with me. Then, on the next day, I went to Ahmedabad village and asked a villager about a home address which was available on that passport. I easily found that home address. I went there and knocked on the door. A man opened the door. I told her about the lost passport. He felt immensely glad after listening to it from me. Because of that passport of his son. He gave respect to me and thanked me. I also felt highly elated by helping a human being. All in all, that was the time when I helped an unknown person. This is an example. You can use your situation. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned.